Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in for another Mondays with Megan with your weekly tech tip. Today I'm going to explain what to do if you accidentally hit the caps lock key and have a bunch of text in all capital letters and you don't want it to look like that. Simply highlight the text, click FN, Shift, and F3. Voila, there you have it. Here at EasyIT, it's our job to make IT feel easy for our clients, which we call partners, each and every day. For more tech tips, or if you just want to learn more about the services EasyIT provides, give me a call at 614-339-4986 or shoot me an email at megan@easyit.com. You can also find out more information about EasyIT at www.easyit.com.